Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel on a network tutorial. I hope you remember my channel name as well because since now I have posted more than 150 videos on every stream. Not only to SD-WAN, I have posted videos on uh, CCNA. Let me write down for each and everyone who are new. I have posted channel videos on CCNA, CCNP, load balancer, Palo Alto firewall. Even I have posted interview on SD-WAN and some interview specific questions also I uploaded there, right? Even some Wireshark tutorial I have also uploaded. So please go and watch if you are new and do like and subscribe my channel as well, right? If you are not done so far, please like and subscribe and do comment as well, right? So today topic is regarding Microsoft traffic, Teams traffic. So we will cover how our SD-WAN boxes, routers identifies Teams traffic first. The second thing is what role DPI and app QE play in SD-WAN. Third thing which I will discuss how app aware routing select the best path, select the best path in SD-WAN. Fourth point is why traffic goes to UTD engine, Unified Threat Detection Engine on SD-WAN. I will make a separate topic on UTD, but now I will explain why traffic goes to UTD engine. And fifth point, finally, we will discuss how traffic exit to internet. So this 5 point I will discuss using DIA. So first point again I'm reiterating what is how SD-WAN identifies streams traffic. First point number one. Point number two, what role DPI and AppQE plays in SD-WAN. How app-aware routing select the best path. Why traffic goes to DPI UTG engine. And last, how traffic route to DIA and goes to the internet directly, right? So before we move ahead, please like and subscribe and comment, right? So that I can make more videos on SD-WAN. So let's begin our discussion now. Okay. So let's imagine that there is one user here sitting in the office. Okay. Sitting in office and he joins a Teams calls or share a screen, right? Imagine what will happen. Okay. And the infrastructure is totally SD-WAN, right? So the traffic from the laptop, right, goes to the traffic from the laptop or desktop on mobile or iPhone, right, What he will do, user what will do, he will click one application, right? Application will be like this: https backslash teams.microsoft.com. So he will click that, right? So traffic from the user, traffic is just like a normal, just like normal IP packet, right? From the user machine. I hope you remember the OSI layer. I will not go in detail, but if you have any issue, you can watch my videos on OSI as well on this channel itself. So the LAN switch, right? The LAN switch does not have any application visibility, right? The switches don't have any application visibility, right? I hope you are aware of this, right? The switches, there are no visibility of any application. You're aware, right? This part. So it's what it will do. It will simply forward traffic to branch SD-WAN router. Branch SD-WAN router. Before moving ahead, right? Let me draw one diagram as well, and please keep this diagram in mind, right? Always, because I have to clean up this diagram because I have to explain in detail. So this is your SD-WAN box. This is your SD-WAN box. We have two SD-WAN box. We have two transport. It can be MPLS internet or it can be internet, right? And we have a T-lock, two sub interface on this box, one for MPLS, one for internet. On the LAN side, we have L3 switches. It can be L2, but we have to run HSRP, right? And below we have L2 switches, right? So here, what I was talking before, that this is non-SD-WAN, right? Towards your till this box, right? This is totally non-SD-WAN router, non-SD-WAN device, not router, sorry. So this device don't have any visibility of any applications, right? This device, this switch don't have any visibility of applications. So application visibility will happen on this box only, right? There is no visibility. So normal routing will happen from your L2 switch, from your this is a user, right? Who's using Teams, right? So on the user laptop, he just click and then the traffic initiate from the user laptop. From the user laptop, it will route to L3. From L3, this is pure L2 domain. No routing, only switching. From here, switching, and then the traffic will go to the SD-WAN router, right? So please keep this diagram in mind always throughout this discussion, right? So once the router, step two, right? This before already we have discussed step one. This is step two. So branch SD-WAN router, branch SD-WAN router. So when the traffic will reach the branch SD-WAN router, the first thing what it will check the DPI. DPI is your deep packet inspection. This is very important for the interview, right? Even for troubleshooting. So through deep packet inspection, it identifies Microsoft Teams audio. The same feature is available on any firewall, right? It identifies video, it identifies screen sharing, it identifies SharePoint, So there is difference here, right? These are all UDP, these are all TCP. So on the basis of application signatures, on the basis of application signature and flow monitor behavior, it identifies the traffic. So this is the step 2, right? Now we will move to step 3 now, right? What is step 3? Step 3, SLA monitoring. Okay, this is a very important part. So latency, loss, jitter, packet loss, for each WAN link, means on any transport, whether it is MPLS, it should be internet, it should be LTE, it can be 5G, and this is through your app aware routing, right? This is the magic, app aware routing. So Teams voice, video is sent via lowest latency, and jitter path. Okay, and maybe this is through centralized policy. So centralized policy should be there in the SD-WAN, and which will take care of this, right? So every SD-WAN will have the policy in place, right? SharePoint or OneDrive may use best bandwidth path, best bandwidth path. So in case MPLS latency will increase, traffic should be routed to internet, right? This is through your centralized policy. Keep in mind that there is always a centralized policy in SD-WAN. And this centralized policy will say that once you inspect the traffic, okay, forward it to the UTG engine, Unified Threat Detection Engine, right? Because the traffic is routed to your DIA, direct internet access. It is not going to your SSC cloud. It is going to your internet directly as per the policy. So this type of traffic should be routed to the UTD engine, right? This is just like an firewall. It can act like a firewall, right? And then your security will come into the picture because you have an UTD engine. Every inspection will happen there on the SD-WAN router itself. UTG engine will be on your SD-WAN router. Do remember this, right? Condition is it should be routed on the DIA, direct over the internet, right? If your SD-WAN traffic it is routed to DIA, it is forwarded to the UTD engine, if your SD-WAN traffic is routed to the SSE means Prisma or Zscaler, then UTD will not come into the picture. Please remember this, right? Because I want to route through DIA direct over internet, then I need to inspect the traffic first before routing to the internet, right? And the last of after this, DIA, the traffic will exit through DIA direct over internet. It will go direct to the internet, and then the user will connect to the Teams traffic. Returns traffic will have the same path, should have the same path to avoid any asymmetric routing. I hope this will clear your concept. If not, if you post your comment, I will try to make more videos on this. So if there is no SD-WAN, right, what will happen in case Teams traffic will route on non-SD-WAN? What will happen? This can be asked. Without SD-WAN, what will happen? Let me write it down. Without SD-WAN, what will happen? So there is no DPI in case of without SD-WAN. There is no AR policy. There is no backhauling to the DC. Means through policy, right? It all through your routing. Poor Teams traffic quality. No SLF features is also there. User complaints will happen. User always log an incident without SD-WAN. With SD-WAN, what will happen? If you are on the SD-WAN, same Teams traffic, application aware routing, real-time SLA monitor, secure DIA because you have an utility engine, and users are always happy. Happy users, right? Here users are not happy. Not happy means they are not satisfied with the application, so they are not happy, right? So I hope you will like this video as well, right? If you have any comment, I have changed my channel name. It is now Anand Network Tutorial channel. The same channel I have changed the name tutorial. You can easily find on YouTube. Please like, subscribe, and if I will get more like, more subscribe, then I will make more videos in the coming days. I am signing off. My name is Abhishek Anand, and total years of experience I have around 17 plus, 17 years, mainly on routing and security. Okay, and even you can search me on Instagram. My channel name is netguruanand.com, website name, and my Insta ID is Anand Network _network_. So I will wait for your comment, and if I will get some good views, then I will upload 2 to 3 videos more in coming days. Otherwise, I will take a break now. Thank you. Bye.